Hey guys! Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to integrate ZohoBooks with Shopify. So, let's get started. First, log into your ZohoBooks account and navigate to Settings from the bottom left corner. Under Integrations, click on Apps and look for Shopify in the list of available apps. Click Connect to begin the integration process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your Shopify store URL and log in to your Shopify account. Authorize ZohoBooks to access your Shopify store data. Once connected, you can choose which data you want to sync, including customers, products, and invoices. After configuring your sync preferences, click Save or Sync Now to complete the integration. From now on, ZohoBooks will automatically update your accounting records with your Shopify sales, making it easier to track revenue and manage inventory. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.